Hey,
It's been a while.
yeah, it's Tuesday, December 30th, and we had Christmas and all that stuff in the meantime.
Yeah.
Um, it's really hard for me to remember what we were doing last time, but I know that we were. Do you remember what we were doing?
Um, no.
Not at all.
Not at all.
Make any guess. Any guess is better than nothing.
I think we're reviewing public submissions a lot.
Okay.
When did you make this?
I
With Troy?
yeah, I was showing Troy.
That's cool.
Um,
How do I go back?
well, where would you go? Even if you don't remember, what would you do right now?
Right now?
hmm
I would. What do you mean?
What would you do for room designer right now?
Oh. Um. I don't know.
Any answer is better than no answer.
Um. I could make a new Poppet game.
Well, what's our number one goal? Is it to make a Poppet game?
No.
What's our number one goal?
To make this whatever you call it. What's it called? Useful?
How do we make it useful?
By making it easier to use.
Okay. How can we make
Oh
it
right,
useful?
we were gonna advertise, but we got kicked out of Reddit,
And then what?
and we were gonna advertise on Pinterest.
Okay. And then what? What did we
And
talk?
then
You're. I'm
oh
starting
yeah,
to
we
remember.
made one. We made one. Remember?
We made what?
We made a before and after picture.
That's it. That's it. We were starting to think about before and after
Here
pictures.
it is. Yeah. Started with this, went to this.
Yeah. Now we are starting to remember, right? So, what's our next step?
What do you mean?
What do we do next?
We put these together into a before and after thing and put it on our board.
Put it on our board. Yeah. So,
Yuck.
yeah, that and okay, so I was like I don't remember what we did. I opened up Claude or Cursor, which the
Oh,
the
we got
people
small again.
the people watching don't see
We're small,
that
Dad.
we are small. The people watching don't see. But
Why?
in Claude, I mean in Cursor,
Why
sorry,
can't they see cursor?
because I'm going to introduce something new. In Cursor, it said we were in the middle of refactoring, removing aspect ratio settings from image configuration. Do you know what that aspect ratio is? Do you remember?
The angle it took the picture from.
Very close.
We wanted it to keep the picture and just add things, not make a whole new angle.
It's not necessarily the angle.
Oh yeah, it was the size of the picture.
Yeah, it's the size.
Right.
Whether it's like a square or whether it's made vertical for like a phone or whether it's made horizontal for like a TV.
Yeah,
That's the aspect ratio. So we were working on that.
I remember that.
Okay. But during the week that we were off not doing this project, um, so I'm big on X, and X has a huge community for developers, especially with AI. And there was a lot of talk about Claude Code recently.
Huh?
Claude is the AI that we use primarily in Cursor, but instead of using Cursor, they are saying use Code, an app called Claude Code instead. And the primary reason to use Claude Code is that it works directly with the AI, so you don't even need Cursor, and which will allow it to really understand your app a lot better. Because right now in Cursor, it could forget stuff and it has to search and search and search, and then it could forget it and search, and it could make the wrong
Then
edits.
let's test it.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
I was testing out Claude Code. Claude. I was testing this out with some other projects I'm doing, and it seems to be pretty good. So
Yeah.
that's what I'm showing. We're testing it out here too. I don't know how it's going to work, but we're going to test it on our own. Now, as far as Room Designer goes, we're going to switch over to the local.room designer. Okay, and we're going to go there. Okay, so we see all of our stuff, right? And then, okay, so we're going to say learn. Okay, so ready to code here. I'll need permission to work with your files. This means I can read any file, create, edit, run tools. Yes, continue, or no, exit?
Yes.
Do we want them to be able to make changes?
Without us asking?
No, just be able to read any file, create, edit, or delete files, just in general. Do you want them to make changes?
Yeah, of course we want them to make changes.
So you say yes. Okay, welcome back, because I used it already. Okay. Okay, no recent activity. Cool. Your rate limit's nice. Okay, so instead of typing here in Cursor, we're gonna type here in Claude Code.
Okay.
The problem is that you can't text, you can't speak it in, so I'm gonna have to do the typing.
Oh.
Yeah. Now, so that's one major change. The second is that we need to think of this app. So I was talking to a friend the other day.
Ray?
No, we won't name this friend, but they live down the street from us.
Okay.
Do you remember how I was talking with him for like an hour?
No, but okay.
After our ride that we took with him?
Right. Oh, yeah.
Do you remember how I was talking to him for like an hour?
Yeah.
We won't name him because this is public and we haven't gotten his consent. But I did send him this website to review.
He's watching this video.
I don't think so. I've checked out the analytics between now and...
Has anybody ever watched a full video?
No. And that's okay. We're doing this for us. We're not doing it for anyone else.
Well, if they want to know how we made it.
Yeah. But we're doing it so that we know how we made it. And we can see where we made mistakes. I like how we're both adjusting our hair. He was saying that they had a similar idea. He works for a big company. And he was saying that they have a very similar idea to this. And that they're going to release something like this to the public in February or March. Right now it's December. Right? But they, unlike us, they already have a big network of people that they can show this to. So they already have the people that are there. They just need to test out this idea in front of those people. We have the hard work in front of us. But they're doing the same thing.
Yeah.
Okay, so we know we're on the right track. We've known from Reddit, we know the people there love it, even though we got kicked out. We know from him that they, like huge corporations, are also working on the same exact thing that we are. So we have validation. Right? We just need to keep going and keep maintaining our vision and our focus. Where will this... I want you to think broadly. If this could be not specific to Room Designer, what could this be useful for? We're on video, Troy. Can you please go back upstairs? Thank you.
I don't know. What do you think?
Well, any answer is better than I don't know.
Okay. What's the question?
The question was, if this was not just for room design, what can we use this for?
We can use it for if we want to buy stuff on Amazon.
Okay. If we want to buy things on Amazon. Anything
we can use
for
it for organizing birthday parties.
Sure. We could say, here's our space that we want to have for a birthday party. What items do we need for the birthday party?
Let's test.
Well, not quite yet. We need to... Okay, so where I'm going is that... You know, when we were looking to create a new room, Do you think that creating rooms could be a part of this room designer?
Yeah, that would be fun. It would be like create your own room. And then you could create a room and then put stuff in it like stickers. That's
Or-
what I've been saying. That'd be awesome. I don't know what I'm doing.
I'm thinking. Or maybe it could be like, because you could capture a photo, you could upload instead, or it could just generate a room. Maybe there could be a button that just says generate room.
Or, yeah,
Yeah?
generate room. And
And
then
then
it
it could
come
use
up
this-
with a random room.
Maybe you could use this description here to generate the room.
But you would have done this before the description.
Yeah. So do you think maybe we should switch it? Have the picture second?
Yeah.
Maybe describe your room. Just get rid of what furniture or items do you want. Just say describe your ideal room.
Okay.
And maybe we here
No,
could
but
say
I like what furniture or items do you want?
yeah, maybe here we could say you can enter optional furniture for the room. What do you think about that? Okay. So here we're just going to change it to be describe your room. Optional. Here you could say what furniture or items, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we're going to move this, we're going to move this whole section, the style, theme, budget. Budget?
Budget. People are using that.
They are using it.
They
But
are using it.
would it apply to a room?
Yeah.
Maybe we could just put the description above, then the picture, and then the budget and style theme below.
I thought that's what we're doing.
Well, I was thinking we would move all of this area above.
I was thinking that we just moved the... Okay.
I don't know. What do you think is better?
Just the description.
Yeah, I would say so. All right, let's talk to it and tell it what to do.
Okay.
What should I say? What should we say?
Move the description of the room above the camera button and...
Above the camera button?
No, above the capture photo tab. Above the capture photo tab.
Wait, tab? What do you mean tab?
Area.
Okay, area. Uh-huh.
And make the description of the room say describe your room, optional. And below that, well, no, undo that. Do more quotes here. Below that, or say what furniture or items you want in your...
How about replace the text for if you don't enter anything
If you don't enter
With-
anything, you have to do this.
with text, or you can enter furniture
Enter.
or items.
Yeah.
To get.
Done.
Then secondly, so we said we're going to move it up above. We said that. Secondly, maybe we'll do this on another step. Let's see how this goes
What were you gonna
first.
say?
Well, we want to have pick a button that says
Oh,
create
yeah.
create
About that.
room.
Right.
But not yet.
Not yet?
So this is different, right?
Yeah.
I mean, we'll see how you like it.
Okay, let's see.
Look at that. There was an error.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Okay, do you want to make this edit? Yes, yes, and allow all edits during this session. I'm going to say yes and allow all edits. What do you think?
Yeah.
Done. Let's see if it did it. It did it.
Yay. Also go up. Get rid of that. Ask it to.
Delete.
But we're never getting rid of the star. Right?
Okay, now we want to tell it about, we need a button, and we need to tell it what the button will do.
Yeah.
Okay.
We need
And we
a
need
button.
to say where the button will go.
We need a button next to capture photo that says generate room. When you press the button, instead of having the take a photo section,
Wait, the button, instead of having it take a photo,
it makes a random based on the description room with no furniture in it.
No, they could add furniture in it.
With no furniture in it.
Random.
Based on the description room with no furniture in it and with good lighting.
Room
With no furniture in it.
with optional furniture in it.
With good lighting.
With good lighting. And we should describe why we're doing this. This is in case someone
Doesn't
wants
have
to
a room
have-
and just wants to test it.
doesn't have a room to upload or
And wants to test it.
take a photo of.
And wants to test it.
And wants to test the tool. Room designer. Awesome. So it should add another button there.
All right. I don't know what I'm doing, but
Read 30 lines. Enchanting. They all say something different. Isn't it interesting? This one is enchanting.
enchanting? There's diving, enchanting, and thinking.
It's so weird.
This is so weird. I like this the most, though.
Let me check the existing generate to see if I can leverage it. That's smart. It wants to reuse what we've already had.
Good. Good.
Now I have a good understanding. I'll create a new API endpoint for generating room images and add the button to the UI. Do you know what UI means?
No, what is that?
It means, make a guess.
United Island.
Make a better guess.
Is it like UPI?
What's UPI?
I don't know. API?
It's related. This all has to do with the computer.
Something with Amazon?
No.
Generate images and add the button to the UI?
Yeah.
Is the UI the thing that makes the button work?
Yeah, kind of. You're getting closer.
Yay.
So I'll tell you. U is for user. I is for interface. It's the
I
way...
could never have guessed interface or user, Dad.
Yeah. When you see U, a lot of times in computer science, U stands for user. So it could be, there's UI, which is user interface, and that is essentially the way that the person interacts with your product. The user interface here is literally this whole thing. This is the user interface. It's what they see.
Mm-hmm.
So they're going to add the button to the user interface. So they're going to put it right here, right? They could have also said, I'm going to add the button to the web page.
Why didn't they?
UI is shorter.
Okay.
There's also UX. UX is kind of funny. You know what the U stands for in UX?
Users?
User. The X stands for experience, even though experience starts with an E.
What?
Yeah.
What does E stand for?
You mean X?
E.
UE?
Uh-huh.
There is no such thing as UE. There's just UX. And user experience is how the user feels when they are on your interface. Like when we were adding the Pop-It, you know, the Pop-It game?
Everyone loved it.
That is part of the UX.
Yeah.
That's part of the
As
user,
is the color.
user experience. Yeah, as is the color. Okay? So anyways, I've added the generate room feature. UI changes, user interface. Added the generate next to the capture photo in the camera view. Added the generate room next to the use camera in the upload zone.
Great, let's see. We need the Pop-It game.
Okay.
Where's the Pop-It game? We need to be able to see it.
No, that's fine. They don't need to see it, but we do need
With
an empty
no-
room.
Okay.
Maybe it should say
Empty room.
when it generates. So what are we telling it?
When it generates the room image, we need it to make an empty room. Empty room.
Besides anything additional that they wrote in the description. Uses a stylish living room if empty. See?
Yep. I said good lighting, not a stylish living room.
Defaults to modern. That's not
Oof.
good. Shows a loading spinner. That's fine. Displays a generated image in the same grid. That's fine. So here you can see what it changes. The red is where it deleted. The blue is what it added.
But it's usually green.
So the user has requested the following items or details included, which generate a photorealistic interior design photograph of an empty room. This should be empty with no furniture, no decor items, no rugs,
Wait,
no artwork.
empty style room?
Don't worry about it. Show only the room itself. Walls, floors, ceiling, windows, doors, built-in lighting. Style architecture, if you have a style. Include windows with natural light. Make it look like a real photograph of an actual empty room, ready to be furnished. 4K quality, high detailed.
Yay.
I mean, we don't need 4K quality, but
What's
whatever.
4K quality?
4K quality is just high quality. Let's see how it works.
Okay. Pop-It game. Pop-It game. We need the Pop-It game. We have 30 minutes left.
Does that work? How's that room?
Good.
It looks like a real room.
Looks like a real room.
Why don't we remove it?
Is that a skylight?
Might be. Can you remove it?
Same
Generate.
thing. Is it different?
It should be different. It's AI.
Pop-It game. Pop-It game. We need a Pop-It game right here. like this one more. Where's the door? Is that a door?
Yeah, that's a door.
Where's the handle?
I don't know, but that's good. Now let's use it for real. So,
Okay, pick your style. We need cozy. Yeah.
Sure.
We need a budget, 500. We need to generate and do the Pop-It game. I'm so out of Dad. I'm so out of practice on Pop-It games. I did the Pop-It game. I did a different Pop-It game like this morning, but this is so much harder.
And then it's going to generate the picture of our room
That
with those products
picture.
in it. It should be.
I love this coffee table.
Total budget 501. Yeah, not bad.
Good. Perfect. Oh.
And then what we're going to do,
I love how it changes color.
what we're going to do, Vivi?
Yeah.
Like we're literally going to make this product, how is it?
Yeah, go.
Amazing.
That's perfect.
It worked really well.
That's perfect.
Yeah.
I love that. I want that
I
thing.
know you do.
What's that thing?
Now check it out.
I want this thing.
It's like a beanbag sitting thing. Or
I
it's
want a beanbag
It's
seating
a.
thing.
What does it say below?
I'm gonna buy it.
If you stop scrolling,
It's not in it. It's just that.
Oh well.
Oh wow.
Can you stop scrolling for a second?
Yeah.
Can you scroll up?
Here?
We are literally going to build what we need to advertise on Pinterest.
Is the floor the same?
So, Vienna,
Okay.
we have the before picture, right?
And we have that.
We have the after picture. What else do we need now? In order to advertise on Pinterest, what is
We
the
have-
last missing part?
We put them together.
Yes. So we need a button that.
That.
Keep going. Fill in the blank. What do we need a button for now?
Combine.
Yeah. Keep going. Keep using words.
Combine the two pictures. Before and after pictures.
Okay. Let's write it. But where will this button go?
Next to download your design. Next to download your design, we need a button that says combine two before and after pictures. And it gets the picture they used before and the picture that it redesigned and combines them together with a before and after wording.
Next to download your design, we need a button that combines the before and after picture.
Combiners.
It gets the picture that it used before and the newly generated one and combines them together with before and after wording. I gotta be more specific.
I'm combiners.
Combines. It should be split screen with one half the before picture and one half
The after.
after picture. Yeah?
Perfecto.
Let's see if it works.
I think this is working better than cursor.
You think? Why?
It's not messing up really.
I would
Not
agree.
as much.
It doesn't mess up.
Well, it does, but not as much.
Everything is pretty, yeah, everything is pretty good.
I want. I'm trying to look for something I want. I want that chunky knit throw blanket, okay? And that's what it's called. Don't ask me how I know. But look. Chunky knit throw blanket. See, I'm just so good at guessing.
How much? Well, it's only $40.
Let's get it. We have too many throw blankets. I I need a bookshelf.
I wonder what happens. We didn't specify what happens after you click on that button that will be added.
Whoopsie.
Do you think it downloads it to you? Do you think it shows it on the screen?
It
What
should
do you
show
think
it
should
on
do?
the screen.
You think?
Yeah.
We'll see what happens. 'Cause I don't know. It'll figure.
See, now it's celebrating?
Yeah, it's celebrating.
It's celebrating. Woo!
No. Celebrating.
What's celebrating?
It's not celebrating.
What's celebrating?
Let's ask. Celebrating. Think deeply about something. Ponder.
Why didn't we guess that, though?
Cerebral is the
But it's
mind.
also celebrating.
It's also celebrating.
We have 20 minutes left with the video.
For our work today.
Wait, what?
Wait a second.
Wait a second, what?
I don't know if it's going to use... See this code?
Yeah.
It's all code. It's not AI. So it's literally going to take... It's going to be faster. But it's going to take half this picture and half the picture. Like, literally.
Oh, come on!
I think it might be okay. I'm not sure. We'll test it. But it's literally going to take half that picture and half this picture and add the words on top. And then download it for you, I think.
No.
You can see. You've got the before image. You have the after image. Failed to load. Okay, we'll add a before and after
Danger?
button with columns icon. The button only appears when there's a before image available. Takes the first uploaded capture as a before, takes the one after. Creates a side-by-side split screen image with dark background. Before and after labels at the top. Both images scale to the same height. Subtle white borders around each image. Downloads, so it downloads it.
Let's see.
I mean, I think it might do the job.
Let's see.
I think it might do the
Wait.
job.
You need to save that picture. Well, actually, we'll
No.
make another.
Yeah, we'll make more.
Make ones. And go. Pop it game, pop it game. Pop, pop. I'm doing the pop it game, Dad.
Right.
No, I'm sure I'm not. What the heck? That's not a room photo.
It's a room.
That's a museum hallway.
It's a room.
Okay, but I'm gonna make this theme a museum. I'm gonna do Scandinavian. And the budget's going to be 500, like always. Cheddar. Pop it, pop it, pop it, pop it. I got so many more poppets than one so far. Why does it only say I have 5? I should have more than 5. Is that a dog bed? Dad, there's a dog bed. It got us a dog bed.
Mm-hmm.
What? Ooh, I like that rug. Isn't that a pretty rug?
Pretty rug.
I love those woods things. This will be so pretty in there. Does
it
that work?
pretty much the same? Yeah, it works. It's good.
It seems much less long now.
Now let's try the button. Before and after. Stop.
It doesn't work.
Why not? Why doesn't it work? Hold on. Let's see. Can't even click on it. We gotta check developer tools. I mean, we don't have to.
Let's tell it it doesn't work.
Just be like,
Make
I
it
can't
so
click
that it
on the
works.
before and after button.
It's not a button.
What's going on here?
It's not a button. It's just a picture.
It's a disabled button.
Why is it disable?
So what do we tell it?
The button is disabled. Make it so it actually works. again. Let's try this again.
Not yet. It's not done.
Oop. I know it's not done. Where'd you go?
Okay.
Get back in the frame. Alright, is it done? What were we on?
It's terminal.
It's still enchanting.
I see the issue. The button is disabled but never re-enabled.
Done. Should now work. Let's see. Dot dot dot. Pop it game. Pop it game. Pop it game. Pop it game. Pop it game.
I would put the generate button at the end because not many people will use it.
Generate?
The generate empty room button.
I feel like they all are Scandinavian rooms.
Okay.
And this is a hallway, not a room.
No, it's a room.
That's so not a room.
Okay.
Okay. I need cozy.
Cozy?
Cozy. Koozie. Cozy. I'm gonna say cozy now. Cozy. 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 Perfect.
Now it's going to generate your photo.
Oh, there's a lot more now. I want that. Okay. Knight's table. It doesn't look nice. It looks like a towel. Is that a towel?
A throw blanket.
It looks like a towel. Cozy. 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 What's the budget? $4.90. Okay, basically. Ooh. Does that work? No.
Not really.
It doesn't work.
We
We need it to make it so that it keeps the picture.
It kind of does. It does its best. Regenerate it. We'll see what happens. No.
What?
Not that.
Maybe let's make it above the picture then. Well, you need to make 44 pictures. I mean, you have to pop 44 dots. Ooh, I like that lamp. Let's get that for the living room. Can we get that for the living room? Let's get that for the living room. Can we?
No.
Please?
It would be fun, though. It's a nice seat.
Please? It matches our style, too. I love it. Okay. We need to update it so that it just keeps the same image now. Did it again.
No, it's fine.
It works, but like it's not the same image.
No, it's okay. It's
also,
good.
what's with this person? They're like side-eyeing us. They're like...
I don't know, but can you zoom back out, please?
Okay.
And then we'll try the before and after. And open it.
Huh?
Yeah, open the top one. How did it work?
Oh my... No.
You don't like it?
No, they're not the same size. We need to make it so that it keeps the same image.
It is the same image.
Look, when it generates this, it needs to keep the same picture as this and just add furniture, nothing else. Just get this and put furniture in it.
Yeah, but we can't really do that.
Why? It needs to duplicate it.
It can't.
It can't duplicate things? That's like the easiest. It just gets this and puts it here.
No, it can't.
Why?
Because the AI won't allow that. The AI is not good enough to do that yet. It's close. It's getting better, but it's not there yet. Did you just redo it all?
Yes.
Please don't. We weren't done talking.
About what? Huh?
About our next step.
Okay, what's our next step?
Well, we need to redo this now first. But don't. No. Why are you doing that? You're doing too many clicks.
What the heck? Did I get rid of it?
Yeah, you did, because you're doing too many clicks.
Okay, what do I do?
Well, you're on the live version of the site. You're on Room Designer instead of our local workstation copy. So you need to go back to our local workstation first.
And where is that? Here?
No. You have to type it in.
Okay, what do I type? Do you want to type it?
Local.
How do you spell that? Local.
Yeah, that's it. Okay. Now we're going to generate a room. And please, not too much clicking around.
Okay.
Okay, there's our room. Get product recommendations for it. Please don't do that.
Why do all of the rooms it makes have 2 doors?
Well, we asked it to add doors and windows.
And doors plural, right? Now you need to do 44 dots. You have to do.
Please don't edit.
I'm not. I'm looking at it. That's a cool coffee table.
These are all cool things. They're also pretty expensive.
Uh-oh. It's going to add that hand into the picture.
We'll see if it does.
Jeez, I'm scared. That's a nice lamp. Does that fit? No, it doesn't fit at all.
Yeah, it reversed stuff around. Go down. Don't click on anything. Go down. Click on regenerate. Try another version.
What?
We'll try another version.
The total budget is $1,000. And more than that, too.
Well, you didn't put in a budget, so it just picked it for you.
That's a lot, though.
I mean, if you're an interior designer for a client, it might not be that much.
What? Nope.
Why not?
Well, there's no door next to the window.
Oh, you're right.
And the window's switched around.
Okay, let's try this. Can you go up, remove the first picture? Yeah. Go generate room. Let's see what happens.
But I don't like how the green is with the pink, with the salmon. Green does not look good with salmon. Am I right, Dad? Does green look good?
Yeah, but worry about that later. Okay,
Okay.
now let's regenerate the room.
Why is there shelves?
I don't know, but let's regenerate the room.
Okay.
Scroll down. Regenerate.
This looks kind of like the couch we have.
It's going to try to put these things in the new photo, hopefully. That's how it works.
Hopefully. There's a bad thing, though. There's 2 couches.
No, one is landscape wall art. The other one is a couch. Oh.
Nope.
Okay. Click on get generate product recommendations again. And now it should work better.
Why can't it duplicate? That's like easier than doing all this.
Well, because we are sending to Nano Banana, we're sending them all the pictures.
Can't it just use the same one twice?
It can't.
Why?
That would require a program.
I love this table. it's still 1,000.
How's that? Scroll up.
Nope.
Yes, it's better. Scroll up.
It's better, but it completely blocks that door. There's literally a coffee table in the middle, and it gets rid of that.
What door does it block?
This door.
Scroll down.
It has a handle. Look.
The handle's still there. It doesn't block it. What do you mean?
You can't get to it without going to have to go like this.
That's fine. It's not blocked, though.
Okay.
It's actually fine. It's actually pretty good.
But it got rid of these.
It did. That's the one thing. But maybe it's suggesting taking them out and replacing them with those 3 shelves. Can you scroll down? Did it recommend those 3 shelves?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. Great. Floating shelves. No before image available. If you click on it multiple times, it's going to say the same thing. What are you doing?
Copy and pasting it so that we can copy and paste it into Nano Banana and fix it.
Okay, wait. That's not right. You have to describe more of what's happening.
When we press before and after image, it says this is before.
When we pressed the before and after image, it said this occurred after we removed the before picture and then generated a new one. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Remember, because that's the one thing we did differently this time. We removed the top before picture.
Yeah.
And then we added it again. So every time we generate a new photo or whatever of the before, it has to be saved, even if it gets deleted after.
We have like 7 minutes left.
I'm just going to say it like that. I mean, we're still working on this major update, which will allow us to actually put stuff on Pinterest.
Yes, but I don't want to have 7 minutes left.
Huh?
Now we have 6 minutes left. Did it finish?
Deciphering.
Deciphering? What does that mean? Oh, wait, I know what that means.
I see the issue when images are removed, they're set to null, but will stay in the before and after looks at it as 0, which could be null. I'll fix it.
What's null?
Null means doesn't exist. 0 means empty.
What will happen when it makes more? Oh, come on. What if we go... I'm gonna copy and paste this into a random folder.
Please don't. It's not helpful.
Wait.
Can we see what it's doing, please?
Yeah.
Without the scrolling.
Okay.
Done. Now the before image is saved when you start composing. So even if you remove the original photo afterward, the before after comparison will still work. The before image is stored separately from the image. Okay, let's try it. Reload and try again.
Try again. I love my earrings. I love my earrings. Even though they don't match the color of my outfit right now, I'm still wearing them because I love them so much. Alright. Why do they all have big windows and lights on the ceiling?
I don't know. We can figure that out tomorrow.
Okay, that's 2 rooms, not 1.
Okay.
Cozy. Get product. I have a goal. I have to get 24 because that's twice my age. They're gonna add that person.
Maybe.
I want the chair. I want that chair. Can I have that chair? Put that in that though.
It worked.
It worked.
All right, great. Now tap the before and after and see what happens.
Ooh, we have 3 minutes.
Open. Open sesame.
Nope.
Why not?
Because this is smaller.
Huh?
This is smaller than this.
You want them to be half equal width?
We need it to get the before and wait. And have it like just this.
Maybe we should say use AI to create the image of the before and after image. Do you think that would be better?
Yes, but I don't think we can do it today because we don't have time.
Should we stop now?
Sure.
Should we or not?
I don't know. Video, do you want us to stop now? Probably not.
Okay, I think we have 2 minutes, and I think you're right. So I think we're gonna stop now.
Okay.
It's not bad for a before and after, but we just can't have it.
We didn't check the error log.
That's okay.
Was there any errors though?
I don't know. This is on our local thing, by the way.
Yes, there was errors.
This is our local copy.
What do you mean?
This is not the live version of the site.
Oh.
So if you want to see the errors, you go to the live version of the site.
All right. We'll do that next video then.
Okay.
All right.
Do you want to end the video?
Whatever. Bye.
Bye-bye.